Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Alayna brand Oral-B Braun replacement heads for your toothbrush. So we're going to open it up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. This is an 8-pack.
All right, so as mentioned, it comes in a 8-pack for each, and we'll show you what they look like on a device, but pretty easy and obvious to understand. So all you're going to do is just remove your old head, place the new one on, clips on, and then should be good to go. So totally worth it. This is what it looks like up close. Hopefully we'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. So they're really nice. Perfect replacements, affordable replacements. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.